Welcome back to Sir Boats Yacht, the channel where we dive into the world of floating homes, lake legends, and everything that sails with style. Today, I'm giving you a full review and tour of something truly special on the water. We're talking about Old Glory 6, a houseboat that blends comfort, functionality, and a touch of all-American nostalgia into one smooth sailing package. Whether you're a seasoned lake lover or just dipping your toes into the houseboat lifestyle, this is a boat you're going to want to know more about. Now let's get into what makes the Old Glory 6 more than just a name painted on fiberglass. This vessel is part of the iconic Trifecta series from Three Buoys, a Canadian manufacturer known for delivering quality houseboats that stand the test of time. The Old Glory 6 keeps that legacy alive with its smart design and reliable features that cater to both weekend cruisers and long-stay liveaboards. At first glance, it carries the charm of a traditional double-decker houseboat, but when you step closer, you begin to see the carefully crafted balance between rugged utility and cozy floating home. In terms of key features, the Old Glory 6 offers everything you'd expect from a full-size houseboat and then some. It boasts a dual-level layout with a generous upper deck that's perfect for lounging, sunbathing, or entertaining. Down below, you'll find an efficiently designed living space that includes a full kitchen, sleeping quarters, a bathroom, and a seating area that doubles as a social hub. One of the most appreciated features is the full panoramic windows across the main living area. They don't just offer a view, they bring the outdoors in, turning every sunrise and sunset into part of your living room experience. For navigation, the helm is outfitted with a classic control panel. Easy to operate but modern enough to keep you safe and informed on the water. Let's talk about design. The Old Glory 6 isn't trying to be a luxury yacht, and that's exactly what makes it stand out. Its design is humble, functional, and purposeful. The exterior features the signature wave graphics and patriotic color scheme that give it a sense of personality without being over the top. The hull is constructed from durable aluminum pontoons that are known for their longevity and ease of maintenance. It's built to weather lake life, bumps, scrapes, and all, while maintaining its structural integrity year after year. The upper deck is where the fun begins. With its open layout and optional bimini shade, it's a blank canvas for however you enjoy your time on the water. Whether it's grilling, stargazing, or kicking back with a cold drink, it's your space to make your own. Moving inside, the interior of the Old Glory 6 is where it really earns its place as a floating home. You're greeted by an open-concept living space with natural light pouring in through those wraparound windows. The color palette sticks to soft, lake-inspired tones like whites, light grays, and warm woods, creating a space that feels both modern and inviting. The kitchen area is small but mighty, equipped with a stove, mini fridge, microwave, and just enough counter space to prepare meals without feeling cramped. Across from the kitchen, you'll often find a small dinette area with a table and seating that can double as a workspace or game table. The living room area typically features a built-in couch or sectional that can be converted into extra sleeping space if needed. The bedroom area is compact, as you'd expect, but thoughtfully designed. Most layouts include either a full or queen-size bed with built-in storage underneath, reading lights, and a small closet or cabinetry for your clothes and gear. The privacy door or curtain ensures that you can get a good night's sleep even when you've got guests over or family staying with you. Moving to the bathroom, the Old Glory 6 offers a full marine-style head with a toilet, sink, and stand-up shower. While it's not luxury spa level, it's more than enough for comfortable daily living and weekend getaways. Plus, with clever space-saving features and marine-grade fixtures, everything is built to handle life on the water with minimal fuss. When it comes to performance, the Old Glory 6 may not win any speed races, but it's not meant to. This houseboat is powered by an outboard engine, typically in the 90 to 150 horsepower range depending on the configuration, which gives you enough propulsion to navigate lakes, reservoirs, and slow-moving rivers with confidence. Cruising speed is relaxed and steady, just the way a houseboat should be. The handling is smooth and predictable, and thanks to the wide beam and pontoon hulls, you'll get excellent stability even when the lake gets a little choppy. Fuel consumption is reasonable, especially if you're planning leisurely trips instead of long-distance travel. And if you're someone who likes a little tech with your cruising, many owners choose to install GPS, sonar, and depth finders to enhance navigation and safety. Another strength of the Old Glory 6 lies in its ease of operation. Unlike some larger yachts or sailboats, this houseboat is beginner-friendly. The controls are straightforward, visibility from the helm is excellent, and docking is surprisingly manageable for a boat of this size. Whether you're cruising solo, with a partner, or bringing the whole family along, it's designed to give you confidence behind the wheel without needing a captain's license or extensive training. What really sets the Old Glory 6 apart are its unique selling points. The things that make it more than just another pontoon-based houseboat. First is its character. The name alone, Old Glory, evokes a sense of Americana and adventure. It's the kind of boat that feels like it belongs in a movie or a memory. Second is its versatility. It's not just a party boat or a fishing vessel or a liveaboard, it's all of those things, depending on how you set it up. Want to convert the upper deck into a rooftop lounge with solar panels and a grill station? Go for it. Prefer a quiet retreat with books and hammocks and the sound of water lapping at the sides? You can do that too. Its size and layout strike a perfect balance between space and mobility. Then there's the value. Compared to larger yachts or custom-built houseboats, the Old Glory 6 is relatively affordable to purchase, operate, and maintain. You're getting a full home-on-the-water experience without the $1 million price tag or the steep learning curve. It's ideal for retirees, adventurous couples, small families, or anyone looking to unplug and live life at 5 miles per hour. And if you're into DIY projects or customizing your setup, this boat is a dream to work with. Everything from the furniture to the deck layout is modifiable, giving you full control over your floating lifestyle. To wrap it all up, the Old Glory 6 is more than just a boat, it's a lifestyle platform. It's a place to slow down, disconnect from the stress of the world, and reconnect with what matters. Whether you're anchored in a quiet cove, hosting a sunset dinner cruise, or just sipping coffee while the fog lifts off the lake, this boat is built for those moments. It may not have the flash of a luxury cruiser or the brute power of a sport boat, but what it does have is heart, soul, and a whole lot of practical charm. For anyone thinking about making the leap into houseboat life, the Old Glory 6 is an excellent place to start. Thanks for watching this full review on Sir Boats Yacht. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Old Glory 6, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest, in-depth boat reviews and walkthroughs. Until next time, keep floating free and chasing the horizon.